Hello, Paul Smith, Eurofighter, and I'd just like to give you a couple of bits of information about the jet. We're here in India because we think it'd be a great match for Indian Air Force's capability needs. The jet has really unmatched performance in terms of its kinematic capability. It'll outclimb and out-accelerate any other aircraft that the Indian Air Force may match. It's got a great weapons capability, carrying the Meteor long-range air-to-air missile, as well as the ASRAAM and IRIS-T short-range missiles. The Meteor, unlike some other aircraft that have it, it's got a two-way data link, which increases its lethality and versatility. It's got a great new ESA radar on, with over 1,400 TRMs. So again, the largest and most powerful radar out there. That's going to help the aircraft detect low observable aircraft like the J-20 or FC-31 that may be possible future adversaries. In addition to that, you've got a great range of surface-to-air or air-to-surface weapons. Brimstone 2 anti-tank missile, really top of class, a range of precision-guided bombs, as well as the Storm Shadow and Tower standoff missiles. So a great capability, all of that underpinned by the kinematic performance of the aircraft, so you can carry it a long way, great range and great fuel efficiency. The engines, the EJ200, really great engines, the best thrust to weight of any engine out there, and very reliable. That makes the aircraft really available. And then finally, I think it's worth talking about the through-life cost of the jet. The aircraft is not a cheap aircraft, it's a very top-end, high-performance aircraft. But actually, because of the reliability of the aircraft, you've got a reduced maintenance burden. We've just lengthened our periodic maintenance from 400 to 500 hours, and now we're going to push that out to 600 hours. So a 50% reduction in maintenance on the jet. That's going to drive down your through-life costs, and we think we're achieving the same sort of savings as well in the flying cost per hour. So the aircraft through life should be good value for money, as well as delivering top-end capability. Okay, one of the key differences with a modern aircraft like Typhoon is its onboard systems. So we've got a great sensor suite, a really powerful new ESA radar, as I said, with a great capability, but also infrared search and track. The Pirate, combined with the radar, all of that information comes into the pilot. Now that's presented in a way, though, that the pilot can understand, and that's helped as well by its new helmet. So we have not only a head-up display in the aircraft, but on the pilot's visor I have the same information as in a head-up display. So that gives him a lot of information, allows him to take it in more easily, not just for helmet-mounted sight weapon aiming, but also for targeting air-to-surface. I can mark ground targets and also get a lot of information from the data links. So I have information about all of my wingmen, all of their radar information. That data link allied with all of the different sensors on the aircraft means that the aircraft the pilot has a lot of good situational awareness. There are great defensive aid systems on the aircraft as well, and a good indication is in the recent red flag, not a single Typhoon was able to be targeted by any of the Russian or Chinese surface-to-air missile systems out there. So the aircraft's got unmatched survivability, so you can take it anywhere, it will meet any threat both on the air and in the ground, and will give your army great support in close air support missions as well.